These are really nice.
I buy light. This is Grandma having her son.
I've got you on recording, Grandma.
Wave.
Is that good stuff?
She's quiet. She can
No, it's not good at all, is it?
Say, I don't really care for this.
I'm done.
Look at that face. I'm the baby.
Like the lunch.
That's what I'm saying. She's eating more of this than that.
You can see me
Good stuff, isn't it?
I can see it. I can see it gaining weight. When you get on the scale tomorrow, you're
It'll
going to
be really a sad story.
Is that good, Grandma?
I had a piece of pie. I had everything yesterday.
Is that delicious? Look, she's not even saying a word.
Grandma can't even talk.
I'm going to head out pretty soon, ladies.
Me too.
What do you mean you do? Where are you going?
You're not even saying a word, Grandma.
Going to Rachel's house.
Is that good?
Sammy, go see what your brother's doing.
Delicious?
He's watching TV.
See if he got kidnapped.